What's up guys, Mike Vo here, your modern Asian dad. This is my Tesla Model 3 before the wheel covers, and this is after the wheel covers. In this video I'm going to show you guys the unboxing of these wheel covers I got from Teslaunch. Link in the description below with a discount code. Please check it out. So these wheel covers are basically a duplicate of the 21-inch Arachnid wheels on the Model S, which costs $4,500. But obviously this is just a wheel cover over your current stock rims that came with your Model 3. The kit comes with all 4 wheel covers, of course, and also comes with a strip of tape lining. It's like a little bit of cushion that you put on the back of your wheel covers to prevent any type of scratching on your stock rims. The middle center caps that it comes with is all blank. It does not have the T logo, so you have to buy the T logo if you want that. You have to buy that on your own separately. This adhesion promoter helps stick the center caps to the middle of your wheel. Here's the T center caps that I was referring to. This is a separate buy, like I mentioned. It is matte black, so I like these, so I'm going to install these today. Installing the back lining is pretty easy. You just got to install it on the outside part of the wheel. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just got to go all the way around in a circle. They give you enough tape or enough lining cushion to do more than all 4 wheels, so just in case you mess up, you can always peel it and redo it. So they give you a lot more than you need. So installing the center cap is really easy. Also, you just use the adhesion promoter to wipe the center of each wheel cap. One wipe should wipe like 2 wheels, so you don't need to use all of the adhesion wipes. I recommend peeling off the front cover first, because once you put it on, it's kind of hard to peel off that plastic in the front. So you peel that off first in the front, and then you peel off the back sticker and lay it directly in the middle of the center cap. It's not that hard to center it, because basically it fits perfectly, so no matter how you drop it in, it's going to be centered anyways. So all Model 3s come with these wheel covers called Arrow wheel covers, and I don't like them at all. I took it off as soon as I received the car. And underneath are these wheels, these rims. They look really good. I used them. I was riding on them for a long time, and I bought these lug nut covers, and it comes with 5 per wheel, and it comes with this center cap. So I'm just removing it now. You use a flathead screwdriver to pop it out. If you have these lug nut covers, most people do, because they're just riding on these stock rims. Now I just wanted to change up the aesthetics of my car. I love the black and white look, and it also matches my Model Y, where I have matte black wheels also. So you just line up the tire valve with this hole in the wheel cover right here, and you just simply snap it on. So you line it up, and you just use a little bit of force to pop it in, and it all goes in perfectly. Here's another angle of the installation. I really like these wheel covers now, because instead of buying rims and new tires or anything like that, you just basically replace the rim cover or these wheel covers in case they get damaged or they get scratched up. I have some curb rashes on my wheels, and these cover them up perfectly. And if I want to change up the look or aesthetic of my car, I can just buy some different styles of these wheel covers. After a few days with these wheel covers on, I absolutely love them. I love the look. And I love how you could swap them out for different wheel covers, and they're not that expensive as compared to buying new rims, of course. I compare it to like buying a phone case. You switch up your phone case or your wallpaper on your phone, it feels like a brand new phone. So I can do that with my car now. I can switch up these wheel covers and make it feel like a brand new car with different rims on, even though they're not real rims. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.